welcome and thanks for joining us at Drone Expo 2026. We're so glad to have you here.
Yes.
And we are so excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's have a first question.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company.
Yeah, I am Prakash. Basically, I am from Chennai Institute of Technology, who have joined hands with Senseimage, who are the drone solution developers. So basically, that's the kind of thing. We are very much excited to be part of this expo. Whatever drones that we have recently developed, they are on display. We are very much excited that many visitors are showing a lot of interest on the products and solutions that is on display.
That's nice, sir. Which products, that is a hero product you're showcasing for this Drone Expo, sir?
This has got plenty of varieties of products. Primarily, the products have focus more on surveillance. So that's the kind of thing. What you see here is a surveillance and as well as interceptor. And this has got the capability to hit the targets with a high speed. So
Nice.
it is provided with the warheads at the front and the back, and it has got the provision to rotate in all three multiple directions. Thereby, it has got the ability to move very fast, and it can reach out to any inaccessible area also.
That's nice, sir. In your views, what are your strengths that keeps you so unique from others?
See, basically, our strength, if you ask me, our team is very much talented and has a high potential in design and development of customer-oriented solutions. What you see here are all our customer-oriented solutions, and based on the inputs that we receive from our customer, we work together and try to develop the solution. So we are basically very strong in design and development.
That's great, sir. What message would you share with your potential customers, visitors, and the individuals exploring your booth?
So basically, we are making baby steps. We are trying to develop solutions meeting the customer expectations. Maybe somewhere we need to improve ourselves. So we are ready to work along with the customer. Whatever is the improvement that they suggest, it's like a drone is a new technology as such. So when the customer provides the input, that becomes an input for us to develop further. So that's how we want to do. So the message to the customer is, visitors is that please ask more and more so that we can improve.
Yeah, that's nice, sir. I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo 2026. So
Thank you.
actually there is we are holding the Drone Expo 2026 in Delhi also, New Delhi also. Would you like to participate in the month of September?
Certainly, we will discuss internally and confirm that.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. But we'll be awaiting for your presence. Thank you.